Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, evening, everyone. Uh, Introduce me myself. My name is Alvaro Ramadana. People call me Alvaro. With student number ID 2206824911 from Flight Mechanic class 03. Okay, today I will discuss a review of the final exam in fluid mechanics that we have completed. Before we begin, let's first pray so that your activity today are blessed by the Almighty. Okay, let's pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amin. Okay, in this fluid mechanic, we take several challenging questions that test our understanding of various methods. This question cover various topics such as flow, torque, and orifice meter, deceleration of an automobile, flow in open channels, compressible flow, and choke flow in converging nozzle. Okay, next. Okay, this number one, the first step, intention. Identify the relevant fluid mechanic principle and equation, such as the reverse meter equation, Bernoulli principle, and flow rate relationship. Okay, and consider the conversion of the manometer reading to pressure difference. Okay, this intention next. Okay, this second step, initial thinking about the problem. Okay, flow through and orifice meter. Okay, this an airflow rate of up to 1 meter at standard condition in is expect in a 0.25 meter diameter duct, and orifice meter is used to measure the rate of flow. The manometer available to make the measurement has a maximum range of 3,000 manometer of water. Determine the diameter of the orifice plate that should be used with D and D per two pressure taps. Determine the heat loss if the flow area at the vena contracta is 0.65 of the orifice diameter. Okay, next. Okay, this step, idealization. The first, use governing equation. Uh, this governing equation and asumsi ini oke. Next, use Reynolds number. Setelah itu didapatkan nilai PA sebesar 2070 dengan kita menggunakan Reynolds number tadi. Lalu hanya juga didapatkan nilai parameternya sebesar 211 dan final design dari diameter orifice plate-nya didapatkan P1 min P2 sama dengan 4.530 PA, hanya 463 manometer, D, D1 0,165 meter, dan 0,66. Oke, next. Oke, lalu ini masih menggunakan real number yang tadi, dan kita ke V, V3 sama dengan Q per A. Dengan menggunakan rumus ini, lalu didapatkan sebesar 1290 Newton per meter. Lalu didapatkan lagi sejumlah 1250 Newton per meter per kilogram. Oke, and then the permanent pressure lost as a fraction of the matter differential with 0.44. Okay, the heat loss is about 44% of the pressure drop through the orifice. There is then some recovery of the kinetic energy of the fluid in the vena contracta. Okay, this answer for number one. Next. Okay, next is number two. Okay, sorry. Uh, the first intention recognize the task involved, determine the appropriate pipe size for an agricultural spreading system, considering flow rate and pressure condition, systematically determine the small standard pipe size that can maintain the required pressure and flow rate for the sprinkler system. Okay, next. Okay, the second step, yeah, initial thinking about the problem. Question, spearhead in agricultural spreading system are to be supplied with water through FT100 FT of drawn aluminum top from an engine drive pump. In its most efficient operating range, the pump output is 1500 GPM at a discharge pressure not exceeding 65. For satisfactory operation, the sprinkler must operate at 30 or high pressure. Minor loss and elevation change may be determine the small standard pipe size that can be used. Oke, this initial thinking ini saya buat ilustrasinya agar kita lebih memahami dan bisa mena- mencari apa yang kita cari untuk soal ini. Jadi saya membuat gambaran saja ya sesuai dengan soalnya persis. Oke, next. Oke, third step idealization, use delta P max sama dengan P1 max min P2 min sama dengan 65 min 30 sama dengan 35 PSI. Oke, use governing equation. This governing equation and assumption steady flow, incompressible flow. Yeah, this is and delta P sama dengan P1 min P2 sama dengan FL per D PV kuadrat per 2. And then ini and use real number of Q. RE sama dengan BVD per N, BD per L, dan for Q per PD. Oke, next. Oke, this instruction set. Oke, finally, Q must be converted in cubic foot per second. This Q 1500 gal per min dikali min per 60 second dikali ini didapatkan hasil 3,34. Lalu for initial guys, tag nominal for in ini didapatkan sebesar ini. Lalu for down tabbing use delta p and then delta p sama dengan 172 lbf per in uh, bigger than delta p max. Okay, this reject. We try another guess. Next. Okay. The second. Since this pressure drop is too large. Uh, Try this 6 in. Oke. Sama tadi didapatkan 6,95 kali 10 pangkat 5. Delta P sama dengan ini. Dan delta P-nya didapatkan sebesar 24 lbf per in. Lower than delta P max. Masih sama berarti artinya ini masih reject. This reject try another gas. Oke, kita akan coba yang lain lagi. Kita di sini menggunakan uh, for down tabbing with this 5 in. I per this sama dengan 1.2 dikali 10 0,0122. Oke, delta P sama dengan ini kita kali lagi dengan rumusnya sama. Lalu didapatkan delta P sama dengan 56,4 lbf in bigger than delta P max. Oke, this 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 tolerate. Okay, the answer is verify. Okay, next. Okay, this number three. The intention determine the time required for next star to decelerate 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 from 270 mph to 100. Recognize that the problem sorry recognize that the problem involves deceleration due to the darkness. Okay, next the second step, yeah, initial thinking about the problem. Okay, this question vector making 160 lbf at a speed of 270 mph in the quarter mile immediately. Immediately after pass through the timing light, the driver opened the drag cutoff area A sama dengan 25 T kuadrat. Air and rolling resistance of the car may be find the time required for the machine to decelerate decelerate to one 100 in standard air. Oke, ini saya gambarkan sebagai initial thinking pertamanya. BNFD sama dengan Mas, sama dengan M dV per dt. Ini FD, VX. Oke. Tadi FA sebesar 270 mPh, lalu VF sama dengan 100 mPh, dan P-nya 0,00238 slug per FT per kubik. Okay, next. Okay, this step, this idealization, uh, is CD sama dengan FD, FD 1 per 2 CD PV kuadrat A. Oke, this substitutes into Newton's second law give, and we obtain a splitting variable and integrate. Okay, next. Okay, this instruction set uh model the cut as hemisphere with open chain defacing flow from table. Okay, this assume Reynolds number lower than 10,3. Oke, jadi T sama dengan 270 min 100 MPH dikali 2 dikali 1600 MPH dikali 1 per 100 MPH kali air per 270 kali 1 kali F per 3 per 0,00238 slug tadi. Dan dikali lagi 1 kali S kuadrat kali 1 ini kali kali 3600 per HR. Oke, kita cek dari asumsi tadi RE sama dengan DV per V sama dengan 4A per Pi 2V per V. Oke, sama dan didapatkan RS sebesar 5,27 dikali 10 pangkat 6. Oke, this answer the the assumption is valid. Valid. Okay, next. Okay, this number four. The first deal is intention. Yeah, okay. Next that is involved the deceleration of dragster using aerodynamic drag. Use the principle of fluid mechanics and dynamic to calculate the time required for acceleration. Okay, second step is initial thinking about the problem. Okay, the image depict the motion of a surface within an open channel flow. It is illustrate to coordinate system absolute coordinates A and coordinates relative to the wave B. Okay, the first absolute coordinates A. The fluid is initially at rest in a control volume. Wave move through the control volume with speed c in the positive x direction. The wave causes the fluid to move with speed. Sorry, the wave causes the fluid to move with speed delta v in the same direction as the wave propagation. And delta x and delta y represent the incremental distance in the x and y direction, respectively. Okay, and number two, this coordinate relative to wave B. The coordinate system move with the wave speed c. The fluid move at speed c mean delta v is at rest relative to the wave, and delta T represents the incremental time, Y plus delta Y representing the vertical distance from the reference level. To solve the problem, relate to this concept, when typically needs to apply the principle of phase mechanics, such as the continuity equation and the energy equation, along with appropriate boundary condition. The coordinate system so in the image help in formalizing the equation and analyze the wave motion and fluid flow characteristic in open channel. Okay, next. Okay, there's that so this idealization. sorry, this idealization. Okay, let's solving for delta V. Delta V sama dengan C delta Y per Y plus delta Y. Uh, and for the momentum equation, again with the assumption of uniform velocity at x section, we use the following form of the x component of momentum. Fx sama dengan Fs x plus Fbx sama dengan V per D, well up dv plus this, okay, this ini for momentum equation. And the unsteady term d for the t, this appears as the flow is steady and the body force VB is zero for horizontal flow. Ya, ini FSK sama dengan CS kali A. Oke, and then where Pc is the pressure at the centroid of the vertical surface. For the two vertical surface of the control volume, then we have setelah itu kita mendapatkan rumus seperti ini. FR left min FR right sama dengan PCA left min PCA right. Dan PGB per 2 Y plus delta Y dikali pangkat 2 min PG per 2 Y kuadrat. Oke, and evaluate the term on the right. And then this min delta V, C min delta V, Y plus delta Y dikali B min CP min CB. Oke, next. Oke, this answer that is ini. The okay, next. Okay, the last question is the first intention. Determine the Mach number at that the mass flow rate, and sorry, and the threshold area for air flowing isentropically converting nozzle give specific condition. Okay, next, second step is initial thinking about the problem. This question, airflow isentropically converting nozzle at a section where the nozzle area is 0.013. The local pressure, temperature, and mass number are 16, 14, and 0.52 respectively. The back pressure the back pressure is 30. The mass number at the throat, the mass flow rate, and the throat area are to be determined. Uh, give Given airflow through a converging nozzle at the condition so M 0.52, T 40, P 60, and A 0.0, okay, 12. Okay. Next. Okay. Is idealization. First, we check for sucking. to determine if flow is isentropic down to PB to check if the stagnation condition uh, because P0 sama dengan P1 dikali 1 plus K-1/2 M1 kali M1 kuadrat sama dengan 60 dan didapatkan hasil sebesar 72. Lalu dan back pressure-nya dan back pressure rasionya 0,417 lower than 0,528. Oke, next. Oke, the mass flow rate may be found from condition as section 1 using P1 V1A. Oke, didapatkan V1 sama dengan M1 C1 sama dengan M1 akar KRT, mendapatkan MC1-nya 0,52, lalu ini 1,4 dikali 53,3 kali 460 tambah 40, eh, didapatkan V1-nya sebesar 570. Lalu ini juga sama, didapatkan sebesar 0,324, lalu M-nya, M dotnya di apa sama juga P1 V1A 0,324 nya hasil dari P1 yang tadi dikali 5700 dikali V1-nya 570 lalu dikali A1-nya yang tadi sebesar 0,013 dan didapatkan hasil sebesar 2,40 lbm per second. Oke, next. Oke, lalu A1/A sama dengan 1/M1 kita jumlah dan kan didapatkan hasil sebesar 1,303. Oke, for choke flow T sama dengan A. So A1 per 1,303, maaf, A1 per 1.303 sama dengan 0,013 tadi per 1,303. Eh, sama dengan 9,98 kali 10 pangkat min 3. Okay, this problem illustrates use of the isentropic equation because the flow is cooked. We could also have used equation for I'm not okay. Next. Okay. That that conclude the brief review of the fluid mechanic final exam that I have completed. I hope that result we have ach- achieved can motivate is to continue learning and deepen our understanding of fluid mechanics. Uh, Sorry, and thank you for your attention. I would also like to extend my gratitude to Mr. Dai, Mr. Edo, and Miss Ila for their valuable teaching. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Stay conscious.